Welcome, tech enthusiasts and mobile gamers, to our in-depth review of the Redmagic 9 Pro. In today's discussion, we will delve into the revolutionary design, futuristic aesthetics, unparalleled performance, gaming experience, and the impressive display and battery features that make the Redmagic 9 Pro a standout in the crowded smartphone market. Innovative design. Let's kick things off by talking about the innovative design that sets the Redmagic 9 Pro apart from its competitors. In a niche market dominated by gaming phones, Redmagic has gone above and beyond. Introducing a design that not only caters to gaming needs but also challenges the norms of mainstream phone aesthetics. The Redmagic 9 Pro boasts a punchless screen, eliminating the visual intrusion of a front-facing camera. The perfect rectangular shape and flat back design further contribute to the phone's distinct appearance. This meticulous design approach is a clear statement. Redmagic is not just a player in the gaming phone arena. It's a trailblazer in design innovation. Futuristic appearance. As we transition into the visual aspects of the Redmagic 9 Pro, one cannot help but marvel at its futuristic appearance. Described as a phone from the future, this device redefines how we perceive smartphones. The front visuals are outstanding, with narrow bezels seamlessly integrating an underscreen camera, creating an immersive display that extends from edge to edge. The square screen adds a unique touch, enhancing the visual experience for both gaming and multimedia consumption. But it doesn't stop there. The back design, with its flat surface, carbon fiber texture, and RGB lights, transforms the Redmagic 9 Pro into a visual masterpiece. This phone is not just a piece of technology, it's a statement, a fashion-forward device that captures attention and admiration. Performance prowess. Now, let's talk about the beating heart of the Redmagic 9 Pro, its unparalleled performance. In a landscape saturated with gaming phones, the Redmagic 9 Pro stands as the benchmark for excellence. Our tests, including Geekbench and 3D Mark, have consistently shown that this phone is at the pinnacle of mobile gaming performance. A notable feature contributing to this prowess is the inclusion of a cooling fan. While this innovation ensures optimal performance during extended gaming sessions, it's crucial to address some user reports about staining issues near the fan location. We'll delve into this aspect further as we explore the real-world implications of the Redmagic 9 Pro's performance. Gaming experience. Moving on to the core of the Redmagic 9 Pro, the gaming experience. This device isn't just about aesthetics, it's a gaming powerhouse. With consistently high frame rates of 60 FPS and efficient power consumption, the Redmagic 9 Pro delivers an exceptional gaming experience. Whether you're immersed in the intense battles of PUBG Mobile or the strategic landscapes of Honor of Kings, this phone ensures a smooth and responsive gaming environment. The introduction of the Diablo mode takes performance to unprecedented levels, allowing for ultra-high frequencies in both CPU and GPU. We'll explore how this feature caters to the demands of both gaming geeks and emulator enthusiasts, providing insights into its impact on power consumption and overall gaming satisfaction. Impressive display and battery. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without diving into the Redmagic 9 Pro's impressive display and battery capabilities. Boasting a 6.8-inch UL screen with a 20:9 ratio and a maximum brightness of 600 nits, this device ensures a visually immersive experience, not just limited to gaming but extending to video consumption as well. The 6,500 mAh battery coupled with 80W charging support propels the Redmagic 9 Pro into a league of its own. With a quick 38-minute full charge time, it outpaces even some phones with 100W charging capabilities. The inclusion of bypass charging, allowing manual control, reflects Redmagic's understanding of gamers' needs, flexibility, and control over their device's power management. In conclusion, the Redmagic 9 Pro emerges as a game-changer in the world of mobile gaming. Its innovative design, futuristic aesthetics, unparalleled performance, exceptional gaming experience, and impressive display and battery features collectively position it as the ultimate gaming device. Redmagic has not only crafted a powerful smartphone but a statement piece that challenges the conventions of mainstream phone design. As we wrap up our comprehensive review, It's evident that the Redmagic 9 Pro is not just a phone, it's a symbol of the future of mobile gaming. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of cutting-edge technology.